Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to connect your Facebook account to Tinder account. So first, what I want you guys to do is download the Tinder app from the Play Store if you haven't already. And after you're done, open the Tinder app and you'll see many options. Sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, or sign in with phone number. If you want to connect your account with your Facebook, go ahead and tap on sign in with Facebook. This will provide you an option called continue as your Facebook profile name. Simply go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, Tinder will ask you to verify, and after you verify your account, you will link your Tinder account to your Facebook account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.